Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader, and this is a short video, not as much detail as what we put on the webinar the video on the member side of our website, but we can take a look at what we think is going on in the market here. Now, in the overnight session, we had suggested at the close of yesterday, when the market got down to here, that low would probably get taken out. Now the market closed way up here, so I was glad to see that happen. And then we were anticipating a move up from there, which we got. You can see the market opened here and had a really nice run higher. Well, it tested the high from a couple days ago here and then quickly sold off. So this continuation of the up auction has obviously really been put into jeopardy here. And if the market can get and hold below 72, that's I would say really quite bearish, and would constitute probably a pretty strong leg down. If that doesn't happen, if it can't hold below 72, then the market could bounce back up and easily get into that 86 or so area, which is where the market really started to sell off pretty badly here today. So that's really what we're looking at as far as the condition of the market. Here's the profiles. These are profiles, obviously. So here's the profiles from the regular trading hours. And we can see here that not only is the 86 a good resistance area, but also in around 80. So we've actually got resistance in the market going forward here around 80, 82, and then around 86. But if it can get below that 72 down here, then watch out below, because it could really have a strong leg down. We were not all that active today. We just came within a whisker of a couple of extra trades that we didn't get. We did have a long from here that worked out great. We had a long from here that worked out great. We had a long from here that we ended up having to get out of that trade with our 10-minute stop and lost 2 ticks on that trade. And that was all we had today. Some of our traders, this first trade here was not sort of one of our classics, although for traders that have been with us a little bit longer, they would have jumped on board. If they didn't get this first one, then they certainly would have had both of these second 2 trades. We did try and get short. We had an order in to get long, that's right, and we just missed it by a hair, and that was down here. It actually hit our price. We did not get filled, which was kind of a shame. I'm sorry, it was right here. It hit our price, and so unfortunately we did not get into that trade there, which ended up by moving from, gosh, that thing moved 5 points in our favor. So it was unfortunate. We just missed getting long. It did hit our price, but no fill on it. We also tried to get short in this area in here and missed it just by 2 ticks. So one trade there was maybe some of our traders. I didn't hear from anybody that did get long, or did get filled on this trade over here, but maybe some did. Don't know. It did hit the price, but we personally did not get filled. And then just missed this trade over here from getting in on that one. So that anyway, that was all the trades that we had today. So a little bit frustrating in the sense that just missing those fills, but still able to take a little bit out of the market. So but I think it's important to monitor that 72, 80, 82, and 86. Those are areas of likely support and resistance, so we need to monitor those going overnight. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. I'd love to hear from you, have your questions or comments. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for taking the time, and we'll see you tomorrow.